Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to witness the top 5 technique of toppers to score highest in exams. As we all know that preparing for exam is very much important. The key term or the key sentence or the key idea of preparing for exam is do your part with dedication and you will definitely attain the success. Use your time as well as you can. There is nothing that can stop you from attaining your dream. Focus on your studies and maintain a balanced preparation strategy. Along with the study, it is very important to enjoy yourself as well. Don't pressurize yourself much and just follow your set study routine. Here we are going to see the top 5 tips of toppers. Let's jump into the video. Tip number 1. First time. Do you find that some toppers show extreme clarity on some topics? Do you get amazed by that? Now it's the time to know the secret behind the clarity. It is very much important that our first time information source should be the best. What I mean is that if you want to know about something, try to find the correct person who know about that or try to find the best site which give you the correct information. That is what I mean by first time. First time is very important because at the very first time we went for a clarification about a topic, it will stick on to your mind forever. If the source is right, make sure you get the information from the most reliable educator. Tip number 2. Sticky notes. Hey, don't run to buy a sticky note. No, I don't mean that to make your study room an exhibition hall. This technique means stick to your own personal notes. Do you notice that just before an exam your friend call you and ask for your notes? He or she just call you and ask to scan your notes or can you send me the copy of your notes? And have you noticed that a topper will not do that? They will always stick on to their own notes. Also mean that they make notes throughout the year as the preparation for the examination. Preparation of note is very important. Make notes on your own handwriting. It is pretty much important and cool way to write an exam neatly. Tip number 3 is size before good night. As you all know, memory is fickle and spaced repetition is the key to good memorization. Hey, don't be panicked by thinking that you have a lots of stuff to study and how can you recollect or how can you revise the entire syllabus. Here is the tip for you. Just before you going to bed, pick up your own note, note it down, your own personal note. Pick up the most important concept studied a couple of days ago and just read it out, maybe once or twice, a quick read. Then close your notebook and you will get a good sleep. While you are sleeping, your subconscious mind will recall that information and when you wake up in the morning, you will have a far better recollection. Tip number 4. Pareto's principle. It is not like repeating something as a parrot do. Pareto's principle is coined by Vilfredo Pareto, an economist. This principle says that 80% of outcome comes from the 20% of action and 80% of the question in a question paper comes from 20 to 30% of your syllabus. And toppers have a secret way to know that 20%. No, they don't have such a method to find the 20%. Then what they do is that they pick up past year question papers and analyze them. Maybe 5-year question paper or 7-year question paper. Now pick up the question papers, analyze them and study which part of the syllabus is important and which type of questions are asking by the examiners. There is a myth that toppers study more number of hours. In fact, the Pareto principle proves that you should study smart, not hard. Tip number 5. Close your notebooks. Are you surprised? How can you get good marks by closing your notes? What I mean is that just take a break when you are studying. Do you know that when you are continuously reading all day and night, your body and mind will be fed up by this continuous action? In order to avoid that, take a break. So, once you shut your books, you should go out to the fresh air. Maybe you should go for a walk, play with your dog, or play a music, anything which make you entertained and calm. That the time the brain really starts to work. Hey, now you are a topper because you know all the secrets. No, no, no. You should try it out. Then only you will become a topper. Hope you all enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel to know top 5. Hope you'll enjoy. Thank you.